Now we're ready to head for the hall.
Way, hey, roll and go.
Our boots and our clothes visor all in pawn to be
Rollicking randy dandy.
The southwest of the United Kingdom, Dorset, Somerset, Devon, and the furthest most point, Cornwall and the Isles of Scilly.
Welcome to Cornwall.
Bienvenuti in Convalia.
Komoni okosho.
Willkommen in Cornwall.
Bienvenue en Cornwall.
Kerno agas dinark.
Welcome to Cornwall, a stunning peninsula situated on the far southwest of the United Kingdom, a land shaped over millennia by the mighty Atlantic. And it's the ocean that's carved hundreds of beaches, coves and coastal havens settled over time, creating our iconic fishing villages and thriving tourism industry, second to none in the UK. For centuries, the Cornish have been innovators and inventors, exporting our knowledge and expertise globally. Once the mining centre of the world, Cornwall now looks to the future, deep underground where we're harnessing the power of renewable geothermal energy, and into the cosmos as we prepare to launch from Spaceport Cornwall. For drama, intrigue and breathtaking scenery, head to the north coast where huge waves crash onto sheer cliffs and abandoned mines teeter just metres above the shore. In contrast, the South Cornish coast is a more sheltered, tranquil land, home to deep estuaries running inland, where you'll find market towns, picturesque countryside and wild moorland. Or explore the Isles of Scilly, an enchanting archipelago southwest of Cornwall.
The anchors on board and the cables all start to be rollicking randy.
Immerse yourself in our buzzing creative scene, art, theatre, entertainment.
Yeah, man. Why are you playing the accordion?
So they know they're in hell.
Heave a pull and heave away.
Way, hey, roll and go.
The anchors on board and the cables all start to be
Rollicking randy dandy.
Discover our rich history, heritage and culture, from idyllic gardens and attractions to historic homes and castles. And finally, savour our world-class food and drink, handcrafted gins, award-winning beers and the freshest local seafood. A warm welcome awaits. Cheers. Yeches da.
Dandy, dandy, oh.